we have just landed at Tagbilaran Airport. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Tagbilaran. Time of convenience is 18 minutes past 4 in the afternoon. Date today is the 15th of December 2018. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened as a sudden brake may cause you to fall. Do not remove the items from the overhead bins until the aircraft has come to complete stop. Please check areas around you for items you might leave behind. For more information, you may find our best fares and latest promotion at our website, philippineairlines.com. On behalf of Captain Donato Capito Jr., with First Officer Joanna Aliban and the rest of the crew, we thank you for choosing Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, please be reminded that removal of any in-flight property is prohibited. Kindly leave this items in its compartment for the benefit of our next passengers. Infant items will be collected after passenger disembarkation. Thank you for your cooperation.